In this tutorial, we will be learning about if statements in Python. If statements are used to control the flow of our programs by checking if a certain condition is true or false. Here, we have declared a variable called age and assigned it a value of 20. The if statement checks if the age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, it will execute the code inside the if statement. As you can see, since the age is greater than or equal to 18, the code inside the if statement was executed. Let's try another example. In this example, we have declared a variable called x and assigned it a value of 5. The if statement checks if x is equal to 5. If it is true, it will execute the code inside the if statement. As you can see, since x is equal to 5, the code inside the if statement was executed. Now, let's talk about the syntax of the if statement. The if statement starts with the keyword if, followed by a condition in parentheses, and ends with a colon. After the colon, we indent the code block that we want to execute if the condition is true. In this example, we have declared a variable called grade and assigned it a value of 85. The if statement checks if the grade is greater than or equal to 90. If it is true, it will execute the code inside the if statement. However, if the condition is false, it will execute the code inside the else statement. As you can see, since the grade is not greater than or equal to 90, the code inside the else statement was executed. Lastly, it's important to note that the indentation is crucial in Python. The code block inside the if statement must be indented to show that it is part of the if statement. In this example, we have declared a variable called num and assigned it a value of 10. The if statement checks if the num is greater than 0. If it is true, it will execute the two print statements inside the if statement. However, the last print statement is not inside the if statement and will execute regardless of whether the condition is true or false. As you can see, the first two print statements were executed since the num is greater than 0. However, the last print statement was executed regardless of whether the condition was true or false. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you have a better understanding of if statements in Python and how they can be used to control the flow of your programs.